So this is a little bit of my setup. It's my receiver, which is very dusty. Homemade speaker stands for surround sound. Computers, VCRs, Wii, Xbox, Switch, and the N64. And this is a little bit of that first song called A Well-Dressed Man in a White Mustang. So let's check this out. Oh, wait. We'll switch to 45. 45 means 45 rotations per minute. Okay, that makes sense because it does say all proceeds go to Martin Luther Foundation. And for copyright issues, I try when I do these just to play a smaller section of it. And oh, that side B here, not wanting to lock into place. There we go. So you have a bunch of singles. I also have some older stuff. And that'll do it for this one.